In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Internet Explorer has stopped working on your Windows device and you're receiving that error message. So this should hopefully be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Internet Explorer web browser. And you want to go up to the top right corner and you want to left click on the gear icon, and when you hover over it, it should say Tools. Again, left click on that and then left click on Internet Options from this context menu. Now you want to left click on the Advanced tab, and then where it says Reset Internet Explorer Settings, resets Internet Explorer settings to their default condition. Left click on this Reset button right here. I'd also recommend unchecking or checking the Delete Personal Settings option here as well. So I'd recommend reading through all of these options and then select Reset. And then once they're all green check marks here, you can click on Close. You will have to restart your computer, so close out of any open programs or applications you have on your screen, and hopefully your problem should be resolved. Keep in mind, Internet Explorer is not the same as Microsoft Edge. This is what Microsoft Edge looks like here. So I just want to put that out there. It's definitely a difference. So this is Edge. If your icon looks like that, Internet Explorer is a turquoise green color. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.